guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chayla. For those of you who are new and for today's video, I'm so excited. It's Christmas and we're going to be filming a what I got for Christmas video. I love filming these videos. I film them every year. I think this might be like my third or fourth year filming these. In no way, shape, or form am I bragging. I just genuinely like seeing what other people get for Christmas, and I know you guys like seeing what I get as well, so that is the only reason why I'm doing it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, press the subscribe button and join the fam, and let's get started. Okay, so question of the day: comment one thing that you're currently obsessed with that you got for Christmas this year. Comment that down below because I would really love to know. So the first thing we're going to be starting off with is my new hair dryer. I'm so excited. I've been wanting this hair dryer for such a long time. It's just the Revlon one-step hair dryer. Everyone literally has been talking about it. I do have the fake one. So I got the fake one at like the start of quarantine when everyone was comparing this one to the fake one. I got the fake one. I absolutely loved it. But then one day I got a notification on Amazon from the seller saying that it catches on fire for some people. I mean, it never caught on fire when I used it, but they wanted to give me that disclaimer, so they gave me a voucher to buy something else with the money. So I'm going to be throwing that one away because that sounds like a problem. But yeah, I'm so excited that I got this one instead. I'm really happy to try it. Okay, next thing I got is some Nikes. When I show you these Nikes, you will know how obsessed. Like, I don't even know. But like, these shoes are literally the cutest pair of shoes that I've ever seen in my entire life. I literally have no words. It is so freaking adorable. They're called the Women's Nike Quest 3. I cannot wait to work out with them, wear them, take pictures in them. Literally, I'm so excited to do everything with these shoes. Okay, the next thing I got is a new purse. So I just got this Coach purse. It is brown and then with like black, with the black C's all around it. And it's really cute how it's like detailed in like the pink. I still have the paper on it, but like, it's detailed in the pink. And one thing that I really wanted is I wanted like a bucket purse just so I could like, when I'm going out, keep my vlog camera in it and everything else. So I wanted a purse that didn't have any like dividers. So I'm so happy that I have this one. It has no dividers in it. I do have a wallet, but I don't know where it is. It's somewhere in this room. So I have a wallet that matches it. Trust me, you guys will see it because I will be doing another What's in My Purse video featuring this new purse. So stay on the lookout for that in the new year. That means you have to subscribe. But yeah, so I love it. Next thing that I got is this sweatsuit set. I think this came from Target. I'm pretty sure it came from Target because I remember picking it out and showing my mom. But I'm obsessed with this tan color. So yeah, it's just like a little sweatshirt, hoodie, and then it just comes with the sweatpants. I got a new North Face, and is this, I don't even know what color this is. It kind of reminds me of like cranberries / raspberries / I don't know what color, but I got this North Face. I have this exact North Face in gray and I'm obsessed with it. So I'm so excited I can have this one now to like switch out. It's so soft and it is so warm and cozy because North Carolina low-key gets cold sometimes. Okay, so the next thing I got is these booties. These are going to be like my house shoes. I have a pair I got 2 years ago. Lauren from Laura DIY recommended them. They are the best shoes in the entire world. I got them from Target. They're just so cozy and they keep my feet warm, and like it's just perfect. And they're memory foam, which is a plus. And now I got a new pair because that pair has a hole in it apparently. So I got this new pair. This pair is dark gray, well, like gray, black, white. I don't know what the colors are. And yeah, so they're just no sweat comfort. These. If you guys know me, I'm cold literally 24/7, so I got a lot of warm clothes, and one of them is this little fuzzy sweatshirt type sweater type thing. I don't even know what you really call it, but it's an interesting color. It's like white with like tan in it is what I'm saying. But yeah, it literally just looks like a cloud, and I'm here for it. Some pajama pants. These are cute. They're kind of Christmassy, but low-key, I will wear them all year round just because that's how cold I am at night. So I got that, and then I also just got sweatshirt because, like I said, freezing 24/7. It just says local on it, And yeah, for this next thing is this lunch bag. So I do take my work to lunch. Take my work to lunch. What? I take my lunch to work. So I have a lunch bag, but it's kind of getting a little dirty, dingy, stuff like that. So my grandmother actually bought me a new lunch bag. It is so cute, and it just says like out of office, out to lunch and everything. It is literally the cutest bag in the entire world. I'm literally obsessed with it. Okay, one thing that I asked for Christmas is some workout sets, and just workout clothes in general. So I'm really excited about this workout top. It is so cute. It's kind of like a little sports bra type. It's like a long sports bra, so I feel like it goes past your boob area type thing. So yeah, it's just this cheetah print, and then the back is really cute and so flattering. I'm so excited to try this on. Then I also just got some workout shorts. These are actually really lightweight, so I feel like they'll be good for like sweating and stuff like that. And then I love the bottom like little cutout it has, and then these also have the bloomers or like the underwear or whatever. I love these. They're just great. I don't know what I was about to say. Next thing that I got is some makeup brushes. I literally get makeup brushes every year, which I'm genuinely happy about because I run out of makeup brushes so much. I don't know where they go, but they just like leave my room. And I also hate cleaning my makeup brushes, so I got some more makeup brushes and I'm not mad about it at all. So I'm really excited to use these because these will definitely not go to waste. I mean, not go to waste. Well, not go to waste. I think that's the word. Not go to waste. Like, I'll use it. Anyways, I'm excited for it. I have a hat, a beanie, like a winter beanie that I'm really excited for. It has a little puffball and everything. I love this color. I already have a pink one, so I didn't need a pink one, even though I love pink. So I have this one. But you can change out the puffball. I never knew that was a thing. Didn't know you could do that. I don't know how this is going to happen, but I have this little multicolor poof, and then I have this white poof. So I could use either one of these on this hat, which I think is the coolest thing ever. That's like getting a 3-for-1 deal. Like, whoever invented that did great because that just sounds so smart and so cool. So I'm really excited to use this and like change out my puffballs. Okay, so if you guys watched my Christmas wish list video, I talked about this exactly. So this is a sunlight lamp. So if you guys saw on TikTok, if you don't know, it's on TikTok where you just have like a sunlight lamp, and then like it makes your TikToks, like the lighting looks so cool as if it is the sunlight, and like your pictures will look really cool. But like we don't get that type of sunlight, like that glow hour in North Carolina much. So I got this sun lamp and I'm so excited to try this. I might try it tomorrow for a TikTok, so follow me on TikTok. But yeah, it just has like, you could have a rainbow blue, sun, sunset, sunset red, all these different filters in this tiny little light. Anyways, this would be really cool. Cannot wait to try it. And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really happy that I got this, so cannot wait. Also have some beauty blenders, well, sponges. I go through sponges so fast, mainly because I don't like cleaning my sponges. Every time I clean my sponges, I end up breaking them, like tearing them apart by accident. So this was a really good thing to buy me, and I just love the holder that it comes in. Like, this is low-key, like, really cute. I also got a satin pillowcase. I heard this is really good for your hair, and that's honestly it. I just heard it's good for your hair. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this candle. I honestly don't know where this candle came from. Scent is Merry Cookie. This is just what it looks like. When I tell you that this literally smells like a sugar cookie, like perfectly like a sugar cookie. I don't even like sugar cookies, but I always love the smell of sugar cookie candles. But like, this literally, like, you could eat it. Let's not do that, but it smells very good. Thought I saw a bug for a minute. Okay, next I have these two sweaters. Honestly, these are making me very hot right now, other than because it's like 70 degrees outside. But I have these sweaters. These are really cute, actually. So this is the first one. It's just this blue and white slip. It's pretty thick, but like I really like it. And then the other sweater, I don't know what this color is called. It's like a brownish, reddish, something-ish sweater. So this is just it, but then it has like circles, dots on the side, which is pretty cute. I'm down for it. And then the next thing I have is just some more Nikes. If you guys didn't know, I wear Nikes. Well, I wear tennis shoes for work, so that's why I get a lot of Nikes. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But this is just a simple black pair, which is also sleek. You can't go wrong with that, but it does have like a little bit of detailing on the bottom. And I'm excited. I'm really excited for these black and pink pair, but I'm excited for these too. Okay, so that is everything that I got for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just know I'm not bragging in any way, shape, or form. I genuinely just like filming these videos, and I love watching other people film these videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed and decide to subscribe and stick around. Comment down below what you guys think. Also, comment down below what is one thing you got for Christmas that you're like obsessed with right now. I'd love to know. And I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye, guys.